Chicken skin, strawberry legs, strawberry skin, or keratosis pilaris. So I'm sure if you have researched about chicken skin or strawberry legs on the internet, you must have come across a lot of terms which means the same. And how much you hate it, let me assure you, it's a really common condition. I myself have it. A lot of girls, struggle with it. So it's really fairly common. It doesn't cause any issues. And it's mostly genetic. It is also said that strawberry skin या जो chicken skin होती है, you can get rid of it by the age of 30 completely. And it starts getting off your body in late 20s. Before we dive into details, hi guys, I'm Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. If you're someone who likes such videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and give this video a like before we proceed. Please do that. These things mean a lot to me. So please like kar do, subscribe kar do, and then we will proceed. Chalo, let's get started. So it is commonly known as strawberry skin because it has a very similar appearance just like that of strawberry. You've got small acne-like bumps on your skin. They are not harmful. Please take my word for it. They are very tiny bumps on your skin which might feel rough if you touch it, and the very common areas where you can get them are knees, thighs, upper arms, back, and all of that. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my routine of how to get rid of strawberry legs or chicken legs. Before we actually get started, I would just like to tell you one thing कि जो ये condition है ना strawberry legs की या chicken legs की या chicken skin की, it is extremely impossible to get rid of this condition. So please accept it. There are only ways, there are only routines जिस वजह से आप इसका फैलना रोक सकते हो और थोड़ा सा इसका occurrence जो है वो minimize कर सकते हो. सो प्लीज़ इतना डू नॉट बी वेरी हार्श विद योर सेल्फ कि जो मैं रूटीन बता रही हूँ आप वो डेली करने लगो. उसे डेली नहीं करना है. कैसे करना है, कैसे क्या नहीं करना, वीडियो में हम डिटेल में लेटर बात करेंगे. बट मैं आपको ये डिस्क्लेमर पहले देना चाह रही थी कि ऐसा नहीं होता. जितने भी आप वीडियोस देख लो, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं होगी जो आपको केराटोसिस पिलारिस या फिर स्ट्रॉबेरी लेग्स से फुली रिड कर देगी. सिर्फ तरीके होते हैं इस चीज़ को थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करने के लिए और इसकी अपीयरेंस को रिड्यूस करने के लिए. एंड विद दैट बीइंग सेड, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Routine which I'm going to talk about can be done once in 15 days. Please do not repeat it more than that because जितना आप अपने चिकन स्किन को, स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट करते हो, जितना उसके पीछे पड़ते हो ना, वो इशू डबल अप हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज लीव योर स्किन एज इट इज बिकॉज नो केयर इज द बेस्ट केयर एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. सो प्लीज जस्ट डू इट once in 15 days and not more than that. So here in this clip I will be showing you the routine on my legs, and similarly you can repeat it on your upper arms if you have chicken skin there. So this is my full growth of hair on my legs, and this is like after 4 weeks of epilation. So I'm going to cover everything which I do for reducing the chicken skin, for reducing the appearance of strawberry skin on my legs. So once you get into shower, you have to do these steps. I'm going to use a very mild and very gentle cleanser to clean my legs so that it is rid of all sort of dirt. My favorite gentle cleanser is Cetaphil. I'm a fan of Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It is great for face and body for both dry, sensitive and oily skin type. It will be linked down in description box below if you want to buy it. It is definitely available on Amazon, तो आप वहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं. So I'm using Cetaphil on my body today. So I am washing my legs with Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser and I am, getting rid of all the dirt. So as we are in the process, let me tell you why you actually get strawberry skin or chicken skin. That is because skin has the tendency to produce a protein जिसे कहते हैं keratin. Keratin, yes guys, you must have heard it. बालों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा होता है and it promotes cell generation. तो skin आपकी keratin produce करती है. जब आपकी स्किन काफ़ी एक्सेसिव केराटिन प्रोड्यूस करती है तो वो करती क्या है कि आपकी स्किन सेल्स को, आपके हेयर फॉलिकल्स को ब्लॉक कर लेती है और वो क्लॉग हो जाते हैं, उस पर बम्प जैसी शेप बन जाती है. एंड दैट्स वाई यू गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ दीज बम्प. एंड जस्ट टू एड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी हियर, प्लीज डू नॉट हेट योर सेल्फ फॉर सच minor things. It is very common. I am repeating it again and again in this video because I've got a lot of DMs on Insta also saying कि यार हमारी strawberry skin है, please आप हमें कुछ इसका क्योर बताओ. You can check out a lot of comments. So it's very common. Do not be conscious and just be confident. I feel confident हो, जैसे भी हो, you are perfect. तो चलो करते हैं हम अपना रूटीन. So once you have washed your legs with Cetaphil gentle cleanser, or you can use any body wash, but make sure that you're using a gentle one because you don't want to irritate your skin, because strawberry skin or chicken skin gets, you know, inflamed. It multiplies if you start irritating your skin a lot. Then I'm quickly going to wash this cleanser off my skin and pat my legs dry. So we're going to make sure that our legs or hands or wherever you're doing this treatment, that area is fully dry, because the next step which we are going to do is applying oil on that area. And if you have water on your skin, oil deeply absorb नहीं होगा और आपके follicles तक नहीं जाएगा और इस treatment का कोई मतलब नहीं रहेगा. So please make sure that the particular area where you're doing this treatment, it's all dry. I am using my favorite sweet almond oil. I'm going to link down a few options for you guys in the description box below. You can check them out and buy it if you want to. So I'm using pure sweet almond oil for this treatment, and then I'm taking, you know, enough quantity and applying it all over my legs. सो ऑयल लगाने से क्या होता है कि जो डर्ट आपके बॉडी पे या जो आपके एरिया पे लगी होगी ना, वो सारी मेल्ट अवे हो जाएगी. और कई बार क्या होता है कि हमारे फॉलिकल्स के अंदर तक भी, डीप हेयर फॉलिकल्स के अंदर डीपली डर्ट होती है जो हमें पता नहीं होता, तो वो भी ऑयल से मेल्ट अवे हो जाएगी. सिमिलर कंसेप्ट है. अगर आपने मेरी ऑयल क्लेंजिंग वाली वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो वो मैं यहाँ लिंक कर दूंगी. ऑयल क्लेंजिंग स्पेसिफिकली फेस के लिए होती है, तो प्लीज उस वीडियो को चेकआउट जरूर करिएगा. इट्स अ ग्रेट वीडियो एंड अ ग्रेट वे टू गेट रिड ऑफ ऑल द डर्ट फ्रॉम योर फेस. एंड बट नाउ फॉर नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस हियर. सो सिमिलर कंसेप्ट है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मसाज दिस ऑयल ऑन माई स्किन फॉर लाइक 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes should be enough, and it is super relaxing. The area where you have strawberry skin and the area where you're experiencing the chicken skin, that area tends to get a lot dry. At times I have felt that I feel itchy on those areas. So putting oil से क्या होगा कि you will calm that skin out, you will hydrate it, and also you will absorb all the dirt from that area. Oil is all absorbed. We will wash the area again so that we do not have any oil traces left and all the dirt is melted away. And now comes my favorite part. I'm a fan of this, you know, scrub. I have a DIY scrub for you guys. Even if you do not have strawberry skin or any skin issue, please make sure that you do this scrub at least once in 15 days and you will thank me for that. It makes your body super shiny, super smooth and amazing. I'm a fan of this scrub. Taking rice flour. Rice flour is really available in the market easily. If not, you can simply grind white rice in your mixer. I use Sujata mixer. It is amazing for grinding. That will also be linked in description box below, if in case you're looking for what I use to make my DIYs. Then second thing which I'm adding to it is coffee powder. You can take any coffee powder, Nescafe या जो भी instant coffee होती है ना, वो आप ले सकते हो. If you have granulated coffee, मतलब जो grounds होते हैं, if you have coffee grounds, that is going to make an amazing scrub. But if you do not have something like that, it's okay. I'm not giving you any exact measures here because it depends कितने area के लिए आप ये scrub बनाना चाह रहे हो. Depending upon that, quantity adjust कर लो. ऊपर नीचे भी होगा तो that is also fine. Then to make it even more effective, I am adding my favorite oils to it. तो सबसे पहले इसमें जाएगा, I have these 2 oils from Good Vibes, which is kukui nut, which is really hydrating. Another one is maracuja. इन दोनों के भी रिव्यूज मैंने डिटेल में करे हैं. इफ यू वुड लाइक टू वॉच देम, वो भी मैं यहाँ लिंक कर दूंगी. बट लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो ये ऑयल्स मैंने इस स्क्रब में मिक्स किए हैं. मैंने ऑयल्स मिक्स करके स्क्रब क्यों बना रही हूँ? बिकॉज गाइज व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन यू एक्सफोलिएट योर स्किन इट गेट्स रियली ड्राई. स्पेशली आई हैव लाइक माई बॉडी स्किन इज रियली ड्राई. सो इट हेल्प्स मी लाइक सी, जैसे आप एक्सफोलिएट करते हो ना, तो आप अपने हेयर फॉलिकल्स और डेड स्किन सेल्स को हटाते हो. तो आप अपनी स्किन की एक लेयर ऊपर से हटाते हो एक्सफोलिएशन से. एंड वंस यू एड दीज ऑयल्स इट बिकम्स सुपर इफेक्टिव, क्योंकि जो नई लेयर आती है आपकी स्किन की, उस पर ये ऑयल्स लगते हैं और वो इतनी स्मूथ हो जाती है. इट गेट्स रियली ग्लोइंग. आई मीन जस्ट ट्रस्ट मी विद इट. इफ नॉट, प्लीज इसको ट्राई करो और प्लीज मुझे कमेंट में डाल के बताना कि आप मेरी बात से एग्री करते हो कि नहीं. स्टर दिस मिक्सचर अप एंड यू हैव योर बॉडी स्क्रब रेडी. आई विल सजेस्ट दैट मेक इट फ्रेश एवरी टाइम you go for a body scrub. If not, you can store it up to 10 days in your refrigerator. Take some scrub in your fingers, on your fingers, I'm sorry. और उसको आपको पैर पे अपने रब करना है। होता क्या है कि हमारे पैर जो होते हैं लाइक बॉडी का बहुत ज़्यादा नेग्लेक्टेड एरिया हो जाता है ना, आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट। तो वंस इन अ वाइल यू शुड पैम्पर योर लेग्स ऑल्सो, एंड इफ यू हैव कंडीशन लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी लेग्स और चिकन स्किन और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, यू शुड डेफिनेटली नॉट इग्नोर द एरिया। तो उसको हम करेंगे एक्सफोलिएट, अच्छे से रब करके एक्सफोलिएट करिए। डू इट इन अ वेरी नाइस एंड गुड सर्क्युलर मोशन विथ फर्म प्रेशर, and make sure that you do it really nicely for close to 5 to 8 minutes. For even more effective exfoliation, I have taken this pumic stone. Don't be harsh on your skin, guys. Again, this is a really nice and smooth pumic stone, but it's very effective. This is from Miniso, so I'm using it. It will be linked in description box below. अगर आपको चाहिए हो तो ले सकते हो। तो मैं इस pumic stone से थोड़ा और exfoliate कर रही हूँ। Once it is done, just try to remove it with your hands. And then we will wash it off from our legs, and you will have your shiny glowy legs ready for shave. Yes, so all of this is done before shaving the legs, because shaving should be the last thing you do in your shower, because shaving के बाद क्या होता है आपकी skin थोड़ी सी irritated होती है, and अगर उसके बाद आप exfoliation वगैरह करोगे ना, you're going to make your skin condition, your strawberry legs, your chicken legs worse. So please do it as the last thing in your shower, and make sure you're using a nice hair removal method. I'm somebody who prefers shaving, epilator, anything like that. I'm not a big fan of waxing at all. So this growth is after epilation, and this is like 5 से 6 हफ्ते या 4 हफ्ते हो गए मुझे याद. This is that growth. And as I've told in my epilators video कि अगर आप continuously use करते रहोगे ना, आपकी hair growth भी कम हो जाती है. I'm going to link all of them right here. Otherwise you can find a lot of helpful videos on my channel. So make sure you subscribe it. And yes, let's continue. After washing the scrub and after patting my skin dry, my skin is nicely moisturized and it is ready for shaving. Then next thing which you have to do is you have to take one conditioner. Yes, आपको जो बालों पे अपना कंडीशनर आप यूज करते हो ना, उसको यूज करके हम शेव करेंगे. See, I do not use shaving creams and all of that, so I'm going to use conditioner, because conditioner hydrates your skin meanwhile you're shaving, because उससे काफ़ी easily जो है razor knife glides on the skin, and I really like that feeling, so I use conditioner. So I've taken a good quantity of my conditioner, and I'm using Wow conditioner. It's a great conditioner for hair. So I have taken this razor. This razor is from Miniso, and they have really nice and cute stuff. So I bought this from Miniso. It was a pack of 3 razors, and I'm going to again link it down in the description box below if in case you like it. They have it in assorted colors. Make sure you shave in direction of your hair growth so you do not irritate your skin. Chicken skin and strawberry skin वाला जो condition होता है, it gets multiplied, as I'm saying, if you tend to irritate your skin. So do not over exfoliate, do not over shave. Stay away from all these kinds. Like overdoing of anything is really bad for strawberry skin, so please don't do that. Just simply shave your hair. I'm washing my legs and we will pat them dry. This is the last step which you have to do, and it is a very crucial step. Please do not forget it. We have to moisturize our legs now. So I'm using my Nivea Body Nourishing Lotion. It's a great body lotion for very dry skin type. Even if you're dry skin type, I suggest that you use the very dry skin lotion, because it's really thick and it keeps skin hydrated for close to 48 hours. At least that's what company claims, but then I feel their hydration is amazing, and I'm a fan of Nivea. So you can use this Nivea body lotion. I think I reviewed that also, so that also I'm going to link here or description box में आपको मिल जाएगा. So put it in a very good quantity, because आपने अभी अपने पैरों के जो है स्किन को थोड़ा सा शेव किया है तो स्किन इरिटेटेड होगी. I suggest that you properly, thoroughly moisturize your legs and feet and massage them so that the जो moisturizer है, it gets absorbed by the skin. And once you are done with your moisturization and hydration of your legs, you are super ready to flaunt them. Yes, my beauty, yes. So your legs are ready and beautiful and glowing. Just look at them. Make sure you include this routine in your like skincare or beauty care regime or whatever it is, and you will eventually see that your body will be super smooth. And especially the scrub part, जो हमने DIY scrub बनाया ना, वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. उसे तो आप 15 दिन में एक बार यूज़ कर ही लिया करो. And And on that note, I will say all of us are beautiful. Please be body positive. Please be really positive about yourself. And I think this is all we have for today's video. I will really like if you subscribe to the channel because it means a lot to me. It motivates me to keep creating this amazing content on a daily basis for you guys. Also, जाने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा. मेक श्योर दैट यू लाइक दिस वीडियो बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स मी रीच आउट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, सो दैट्स द लीस्ट यू कैन डू. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज I am also available on Instagram. It's chitranshi.me. Please come and say hi to me there and follow me so that we are in touch on daily basis. And this is all. I will see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye.